Good morning, everyone. This is day 32 on the path to $30,000 a month. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually creating TikTok shop products on a new TikTok shop, and I'll explain that at the end of this video, but that's what I'm doing right now. All right, and now I am setting up the Cricut template with these new bumper stickers that I created that I'm putting on the new TikTok shop, and also orders that I gotta get out. All right, now I am cutting out all the stickers. I got that new Cricut machine, the Maker 3. I got the top of the line one, and it is so much better. It cuts all the way through, no problem. It seems durable. It's a little louder than before, but I'm not complaining. And now I'm just packing up the products and getting them shipped out. So orders are out. I have a few other things I got to get done, but it was actually a pretty short day with orders, unfortunately, so I'm not sure what that's going to look like on my income sheet today. But I am testing out TikTok shop on my other account, my other decal account, but I'm putting up bumper stickers because bumper stickers are selling better than decals lately. And so I decided to actually put stickers on my decal TikTok shop, not my website. So I put up like a viral template to hopefully it takes off. So I'll keep you posted on that, and if it does, I'll drop the link so you guys can see it. But I'm just doing a couple testing things. The video is going to be cut pretty short. This is the end of the video, just because I have a lot going on today. I have to do an oil change on my car. I've been just putting that off for months, and it needs to get done. I also just picked up that Samurai, that car yesterday, and I have to go get that thing running. I just got a lot going on today. So that's the end of the video, but I will be breaking down yesterday's revenue right now. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, so the revenue breakdown from eBay yesterday was actually not bad. We hit $41.08. All right, and for Amazon, we actually had our lowest day this week, so at $374.45. All right, so yesterday's revenue totaled at $415. All right, so it's our second day of May, and we are totaled at $922. Not where we want to be at. We want to be at the 2K mark, but we are figuring out what is going on. We got mug boats coming into the warehouse right now, so that should turn things around. We need to get the website back up, but this is just how life works. It's not always going to be crazy days. And so if you're interested in videos like this and want to see my high days that I have, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day. This is day 32, and hopefully by the end of this month, we could hit the 30K mark. And, you know, with you guys helping me out and motivating me, it's amazing. And I hope I'm motivating you. And this is just an amazing journey. And I really appreciate the ups and the downs. You have to appreciate both to get through it. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have an amazing rest of your Thursday.